I don't know why this matter ended up in the case management conference today, because it's not the normal case management conference day. We have a demur that's set for November 19th, which is next Friday. So I'm going to put this on the 24th, which is the following Wednesday, which is the case management conference date. Anything further?
Yes, you want to get the 24th being continued to?
That's correct. But
Thank you, Your Honor.
we do have the matter on the 19th as well in the demur.
Yes, Your Honor.
I do have the opposition to the demur.
Okay, that should be filed at the clerk's office and of course a copy to opposing counsel.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
My name is Ben Adams. I was a part of Barbizon modeling school in 2004, and we paid cash for a composite cards and for a show and deal. We didn't get them until after it was too late.
Right, Mr. Ben Adams, you paid how much? Almost $1,000 for the cards.
About $1,000, yeah.
And they didn't deliver them until after it was too late.
Yeah.
For the next competition.
Yes.
So your modeling fees, and your mother paid what, another $4,000 for modeling lessons or something?
Something like that. It was a
So
lot of money.
A lot of money, and you got
All for nothing.
For nothing. And Barbizon did this to you. Did they send you any money back? Apologize?
No.
Barbizon, is it a scam? Think about it. He's not the only one. There's a gal named Breanna Moore, and she's been trying to get justice.
Same here. It's been going on for over a year now.
And this goes back to when, 6 years ago.
Yeah.
And she hasn't got justice after 6 years, trying to get the money from Barbizon.
School of San Francisco. Yeah.
School in San Francisco. Watch this case. It's ongoing in court now.
Okay, so I have to get up at 4:30 every morning when I have a court date to get ready and get all my stuff in order and do my chores and take care of my kid. And I have to leave my house by 6:30 to get here by a little bit before 8:30, you figure, with traffic. If there is traffic, sometimes it takes longer. And Peter Clinco doesn't even have the guts to go over and call in on time for court call. It's really f***ed up. Excuse my French, but it's really screwed because that's my diesel in that truck. And it sucks for me. I have to appear here. I have to appear here in person versus he can just, as far as I know, he can stay in his pajamas or boxers or whatever. I don't really care to know.
So the justice is not really equal justice.
No, today I went over and had a case management hearing, and the judge was like, "Well, I don't even know why this is here." And
who set that date?
The
same
judge. The same judge. Same exact judge. He's like, well.
How many miles did you have to travel?
60 and 70.
One way.
One way.
To get here, and you were here on time, but the attorney for Barbizon, Peter Clinco, couldn't even appear on time by phone.
No, he couldn't. No.
So then you had to wait around.
Late. They called me up. I was first up, and they said they were having a problem reaching Peter Clinco by phone. So the judge said continue trying. So they continued trying, and eventually they got him on the phone. And at that point, they called us up, and it was about 3-4 words said, and then it was here's your case management hearing, November 24th. See you then. So in a couple of weeks, I get to waste my diesel again to come down here and start all over. This really sucks, honestly, because I am trying to have a life, and
you can't get justice in this system. You've been at it for over a year now, haven't you?
I've been at it over a year. I'm exhausted. I mean, you stay up night after night after night staring at a computer screen, typing and trying not to screw things up in your wording and make it confusing, and it's so technical, and if you don't have the right form for this, and if it's not in the right format, you can go home and start all over again. Yeah.
Justice is run for the benefit of the attorneys and judges and not the people.
Yeah, it's pretty much just patting their paycheck, patting their ass, a roundabout way, I guess, patting their seat, patting their wallet, whatever you want to call it. I don't know.
Do I have your permission to publish this on the internet and television and YouTube?
Go right ahead. You got all my permission you need.